Day two of the second impeachment trial of President Trump. In a few minutes, Democratic House managers are going to continue their sixth hour of presenting their case, accusing the former president of inciting the Capitol riot. The Democrats present a new video of the assault on the Capitol from inside the building today. News 4's Rana Lavini has been following the case, and she has the latest for us live in the newsroom. Rana?
Yeah, and Chuck, House managers actually showed several different angles of that new security video showing the Capitol break-in and how close the rioters were to members of Congress. This was part of the Democrats' presentation today as they tried to prove that the rioters were violent and that they were following orders of the former president.
Showing never-before-seen video, security cameras show a view from inside the Capitol building on January 6th as rioters smashed windows and broke in.
The second man through the window is wearing full tactical body armor.
House impeachment managers presenting this video and others in their first full day of opening arguments in former President Donald Trump's impeachment trial. Showing how the attackers outnumbered and overwhelmed law enforcement, and how members of Congress, including Vice President Mike Pence, moved through hallways and stairwells to try to find safety.
Some of you have said there's no way the president could have known how violent the mob would be. That is false.
Part of the Democrats' strategy to prove he incited the insurrection, saying he riled up his base for months before that day, pointing to how he repeatedly and falsely claimed the election was rigged.
You can't let another person steal that election from you.
Trump's legal team said yesterday that the former president's words are protected by free speech and that the trial is political.
They hated the results of the 2016 election and want to use this impeachment process to further their political agenda.
Donald Trump surrendered his role as commander-in-chief and became the inciter-in-chief.
Members of Congress now hearing and presenting the case, at times emotional, witnesses to the mayhem themselves.
At 2:30, I heard that terrifying banging on House chamber doors. For the first time in more than 200 years, the seat of our government was ransacked on our watch.
And after this recess, House Democrats have a few more hours to present tonight. They have another 8 hours tomorrow, and then Donald Trump's team can begin its presentation on Friday. Reporting live in the newsroom, Rana Novini, News 4 New York.